Starting around 13 January 2024, Axie boundlessness sort of is exchanging at $8.04 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.74% in essentially most recent 60 minutes, which for the most part is very huge. Axie fundamentally has a complete market cap of $1,061,767,611 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $83,028,368 in a very significant manner. This in every way that really matters makes Axie boundlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 64 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Axie limitlessness cost expectation end of 2024, what will Axie vastness generally be somewhat worth in 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Is Axie endlessness an especially wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024 in a very huge manner? Will Axie's cost fundamentally outperform its untouched height, which essentially is very huge? These sort of are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future in an unpretentious manner. Axie boundlessness, Axie, value expectation 2024, as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Axie value sort of is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $10.62, the normal most certainly least value worth of Axie vastness, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically be $10.23, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can basically arrive at a truly greatest value level of $13.12 in a for the most part large manner. Axie's value estimate January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness sort of is gauged to be at around an exceptionally least worth of $7.51, which certainly is genuinely critical. The Axie limitlessness value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $8.45, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $8.22 in United States dollars, showing how starting around 13 January 2024 Axie vastness really is exchanging at $8.04 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.74% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Axie's value figure February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Axie boundlessness all things considered is supposed to fundamentally arrive at any rate value worth of $8.15 in a sort of significant manner. The Axie's cost could sort of arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $8.86, with the very normal cost around $8.47, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness value estimate Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness in every way that really matters is supposed to in a real sense be at around an especially least of $8.32 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Axie limitlessness cost can basically arrive at a truly limit of $9.29, with the especially normal cost of $8.63 in United States dollars, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie's value estimate April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Axie endlessness essentially is supposed to sort of arrive at an extremely least value worth of $8.42, which sort of is very huge. The Axie's cost could sort of arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $9.63, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost around $8.81, or so they basically thought. Axie vastness, Axie, value gauge May 2024. The Axie endlessness, Axie, value for May 2024 may basically arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $8.77, while the essentially greatest estimated cost generally is around $9.99 in a fundamentally large manner. The exceptionally normal cost for Axie is in every way that really matters, anticipated to in a real sense reach $9.16 in May 2024 in a very huge way. Axie's value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Axie vastness in every practical sense is estimated to sort of be at around an in every way that really matters, least worth of $9.12, which especially demonstrates the way that the Axie's cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $9.63, with the truly normal cost around $8.81. The Axie endlessness value worth can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $10.35, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $9.43 in United States dollars in an exceptionally large way. Axie Endlessness Value Figure July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness in every practical sense is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of $9.31 in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness cost can especially arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $10.82, with the extremely normal cost of $9.62 in United States dollars, or so they fundamentally thought. Axie's value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Axie vastness generally is estimated to really be at around a base worth of $9.50, or so they truly thought. The Axie boundlessness value worth can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $11.30, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $9.82 in United States dollars, which really is very huge. Axie's value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Axie boundlessness in a real sense is estimated to be at around a truly least worth of $9.62 in a huge manner. The Axie endlessness value worth can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $11.80, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $10.01 in United States dollars, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie's value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Axie vastness generally is supposed to, all things considered, arrive at a truly least value worth of $9.82, which truly is genuinely critical. The Axie's cost could basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $12.20, with the especially normal cost around $10.21. Axie's value gauge November 2024. The Axie endlessness estimate for November 2024 expects that the Axies may generally arrive at a really greatest worth of $12.71, with an especially least cost of around $10.02 in a kind of enormous manner. Discussing the especially normal value Axies can for the most part stretch around $10.42 for November, or so they especially thought. Axie's value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Axie endlessness for the most part is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $10.23 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie's cost could explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $13.12, with Axie endlessness kind of past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been truly diminished by 5.5% in its ongoing worth in every practical sense, significant way. On the off chance that we look at the truly current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an especially significant manner. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Axies especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.84%, which certainly is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness in a real